All right, I have a MS462 here I just picked up the other day, and I did not like the size or look of this factory dog. I really wish in the Midwest we would have more options, particularly for the full wrap saw. You can get it. It's just you kind of have to special order it. You're not going to walk into a dealer and see one of these saws with a full wrap setup on the shelf. Bryan Equipment, I believe, does have them, but they don't stock many of them, and it's just not a common thing. I don't know why. Whatever reason, it's just what people buy in this area. So let's go ahead, take this apart. Let's see, I believe it uses an 8mm. Yeah, these are all 8mm. I might have to get a wrench. Now, one thing I have learned is that the, let's see, outer spike has to be clearance to fit this saw. The part numbers, by the way, for the dog kit is 1122 664 0501. It comes with the screws and fasteners here. That is, the part number there is 9022 314 0983. And more importantly, the roller chain catcher. This is a must. Part number 1122 650 7702. Let's go ahead and take this one off. Oh, that one goes into the case. Really on there. That one's longer. Man, that was really on there. I don't see any Loctite on it. Yeah, that fits up. Let's go ahead and just use this T handle here. No, it's not cross-threaded. It was just in there. And tighten the bottom one down. Good. Good. That was exactly 98 inch-pounds of torque. I have a clicker in my wrist. And the outer spike, as I said, get out of the camera, needs to be clearanced. As you can see, when you line that hole up, the bottom one will not. So I'm going to have to notch this area out. So this area, let me just give me a decent idea of how much to mark out. It shouldn't take much. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to just grind a bit of the whole thing out here. I'm going to do some on the bench grinder. Maybe then clean it up with the good burr. Take this over to the bench grinder and grind it out. I'm not going to show that. All it does is make a bunch of noise. So let's see how it fits up. I deburred it, obviously. Not perfect, but good enough. It's a little tight here at the top. Let's remove a little bit more from the top. Deburr it. Use the wire wheel to make sure it's deburred. There we go. Now it has a little more clearance. Let's put it together. Uh, these nuts, they go on the back. These are all the same size. They gave you 3 of them. I guess they gave you an extra couple. So all you do is you drop the nut inside and you put the screw in. And that's that. Now here's the chain catcher. It does come with instruction manual. I've put these together before. Let's see. The roller catcher part number is, well, I already gave that number to you. That's 112265077702. Oh, it comes with an extra piece. What is it? Oh, it's a spacer, and it says if it doesn't fit, I don't need that spacer if it doesn't fit. Let's see if it fits. Here's the spacer. Let's see if it fits or not. It does not fit, so we do not need it. Yeah, it's plenty tight. To attach the roller guide. And you have to put the roller guide together as well. Now, you don't need a pair of snap ring pliers, but I suggest a pair. It makes putting this little ring on. This is tapered, so you can just push this snap ring on with like a tiny socket. But that makes it a whole lot easier. That's on there just perfect. And this will line up down here now. That's nice. That looks much more appropriate. And with longer bars, you know, the saw is a little tippy because it is light. So it wants to tip forward. These longer legs here, spikes, prevent it from tipping forward. That is a definite upgrade there. All right. Talk to you guys later. See you next time.